The United States faces a large financial challenge. Managing plastic waste costs over $11.5 billion each year. This is a very significant amount of money. It comes directly from taxpayers' pockets. This burden affects communities across the nation. It highlights a pressing need for change. We must understand this cost fully. It is a drain on public resources. These billions cover many different expenses. Collecting plastic trash from homes and businesses is one. Transporting this waste to facilities costs fuel and labor. Landfill fees are constantly rising. Sadly, recycling plastics is often not profitable. It can be very difficult and expensive. Municipal budgets are stretched thin by these demands. This creates a difficult situation for local governments. The financial strain is not the only problem. There are serious environmental impacts too. Plastic pollution harms our oceans and land. Wildlife can be injured or killed by plastic. Landfills consume vast areas of valuable space. Producing new plastic also uses precious natural resources. This overall impact is truly damaging. We see the effects everywhere. This massive expense is not a temporary issue. It is an ongoing cost that repeats every year. This current approach to plastic waste is not sustainable. We cannot continue on this path indefinitely. The financial and environmental pressures are too great. It is time to look for smarter, more effective solutions. We need to act decisively. Our future depends on it. Imagine if that $11.5 billion was used differently. Think about the positive changes it could bring. Our communities could benefit in so many ways. Many essential public services are currently underfunded. They struggle to meet important needs. This money could provide a vital boost. It represents a huge opportunity for improvement. Let's consider some possibilities. Our nation's infrastructure is in urgent need of repair. Roads and bridges are crumbling in many areas. Public transportation systems could be greatly improved. Investment here creates jobs and boosts the economy. Better infrastructure makes daily life smoother for everyone. It can also reduce travel times and costs. This would be a wise use of funds. It benefits us all. Education is another area that deserves more funding. These billions could go towards supporting our schools. Teachers could receive better salaries and more resources. Students could benefit from improved learning environments. Investing in education is investing in our future. It empowers the next generation. This would create lasting positive change. It is a fundamental need. Healthcare is a critical service for all citizens. Redirected funds could enhance our healthcare systems. We could build modern hospitals and clinics. More money could support important medical research. Access to affordable healthcare could be expanded. This improves public health and overall well-being. These are just a few examples of better spending. The possibilities are extensive. Switching from disposable items to reusables is a powerful solution. This change can directly reduce waste management expenses. When there is less plastic trash, municipalities save money. Collection frequency can be optimized. Disposal fees at landfills decrease significantly. This financial relief benefits the entire community. It helps to ease budget pressures. It's a practical step forward. Households also see real financial advantages with reusables. Consider the cost of bottled water over a year. A reusable water bottle saves a lot of money. Reusable shopping bags eliminate the need for single-use plastic bags. Some stores even charge for disposable bags now. Using reusables means fewer purchases of throwaway items. This leads to tangible savings for families. Let's look at a clear cost comparison. Imagine a family buys disposable sandwich bags every week. This weekly expense adds up quickly over months. Investing once in a set of durable, reusable bags is far more economical. For instance, products like Ziparoos, eco-friendly reusables, last for a long time. They offer a cost-effective alternative. This smart choice puts money back in your pocket. The savings extend beyond just bags and bottles. Think about reusable coffee cups for your daily brew. Using cloth napkins instead of paper ones cuts down waste. Reusable straws are another easy switch from plastic. Each small change contributes to larger household savings. The cumulative effect is quite impressive over time. It is a win-win situation for your wallet and the planet. Choosing reusable products also brings significant health benefits. Many single-use plastics contain potentially harmful chemicals. Substances like BPA and phthalates are often found in them. These chemicals can leach out of the plastic. They can then transfer into our food and drinks. This is a valid concern for our health. We should be aware of this risk. Exposure to these plastic-associated chemicals carries potential health risks. Scientists have linked them to hormonal disruptions in the body. They may also affect normal growth and development. Children can be particularly vulnerable to these effects. Reducing our daily exposure to such chemicals is a sensible precaution. It is a proactive step for better health. This helps protect our families. Reusable items are frequently made from safer materials. Glass containers do not leach chemicals into food. Stainless steel is another excellent inert choice for food contact. Food-grade silicone products are also widely available and safe. These alternatives help you avoid harmful chemical exposure. They provide peace of mind at mealtimes. This choice supports a healthier lifestyle for everyone. Embracing reusables is a positive and impactful decision. It helps save money for individuals and communities. It safeguards our health by reducing chemical exposure. Crucially, it also helps protect our planet from plastic pollution. Let's all make a conscious effort to choose reusables. Start your journey today. Explore the wide range of eco-friendly products available at www.ziparoos.biz for innovative solutions.